Alright, so this is what you'd see. Right now, it's a black screen with a pink cursor and some pink boxes, but you can add anything that you want behind it. You could add Netflix, or Twitch, or even YouTube. In the background, I currently have my devlog series, where I'm making a game called The Jurian, which is heavily inspired by Old School Runescape. You could set it to full screen and this is what it would look like. A video is playing in the background, while these pink outlines of the click boxes show you where to click. So, agility is pretty monotonous, and I like to watch something while I do it, but I hate having to glance all the way at a second monitor, so here is a method that I came up with. This method assumes you are using Runelite, and also requires you to use OBS, which is Open Broadcaster software. OBS is commonly used to live stream or record video, but you don't need to do that for this method. You can download OBS at the link found in the description below. Once you have OBS downloaded, run Runelite in whatever you are using to watch videos, and in this example I am using Google Chrome. Right click below the scenes and add scene, title it whatever you want. Next, under the sources box, right click, go to add, then window capture. Select Runelite, then do that again and add another window capture source and make it Google Chrome. Now, there are some Runelite settings that you will need to change. Go to the Agility plugin and set the top 3 colors to this pinkish color. The hex code for it is on the screen. Next, we need the cursor to also be that color, so go to Custom Cursor, turn it on, and select Custom Image. I'm using a custom-made pink cursor, and the download link is in the description. Go to your Runelite folder, I put where it probably is on the screen, and then name the file cursor.png. And now your Runelite should have this pink cursor. Next, go back to OBS, click on the Runelite source, and then hold Alt while dragging a corner to crop it, so that only the game portion of it is visible. Also, you could hide the other window capture right now by clicking this eyeball. Resize it so that it fits the screen. Next, right-click the Runelite capture, then click Filters. In the filters, right-click and add a chroma key. Normally, this is used to remove a green screen, but we're doing the opposite and removing everything that isn't the opposite of green, which is this pink color that we're using. In the chroma key options, set the similarity to around 600. Later, you can mess around with the opacity or other values until you get something that you prefer. So, this is what you'd see. Right now, it's a black screen with a pink cursor and some pink boxes, but you could add anything you want behind it. You could add Netflix or Twitch or even YouTube. Set it to full screen and this is what it would look like. A video is playing in the background while these purple outlines of the click boxes show you where to click. And that's basically it for this method. You can now watch a show while training agility without having to move your head. So, I don't normally make these kinds of videos where I show you how to do something in RuneScape, and normally I just do random game development videos, but I'm currently focusing on The Jurian, which is a game that is heavily based on Old School RuneScape. If you want to see that, the playlist for that series is in the description below, or you could subscribe and just see the future ones. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.